birthday, Julie.
What are you going to do for your birthday?
We're on a train to Zermatt.
So you can do what?
Hike the Matterhorn, or around the Matterhorn. We're not going up the Matterhorn.
Have a good day. Welcome to our channel, everyone. We are Brent and Kelly, and we've been traveling full-time since June 2020 after retiring in education, selling our house, and giving most of our belongings away. We've had an incredible adventure in our own home country of Canada, the US, including Alaska, Mexico, Argentina, Brazil, Israel, Morocco, and most of Europe. On our last adventure, we rented a pop-up van in Paris, and by the way, not the best for 50-year-olds who have to pee multiple times in the night, and headed to Normandy to visit landmarks like Mont Saint-Michel and the cliffs of Etretat, and a few significant Canadian military sites like Juno Beach, Dieppe, and Vimy Ridge. I'll link our Normandy playlist in the top right-hand corner so you can follow along. Now we find ourselves back in Switzerland to cat sit while friends are on vacation. It's a great place to celebrate Brent's 58th. I still can't believe that. Anyway, enjoy the video and don't forget to subscribe. Happy birthday, baby.
Thanks, Julie.
What are we doing today for your
Go to
birthday?
Zermatt. Check out the Matterhorn.
But where are we?
We're in Zurich
And we're going to spend a few days here
at the Addisons.
and cruise it around. And for your birthday, we're going to go for a nice hike
Yes.
and have some fun too.
Yeah.
Live time. Okay, so good morning, everyone. Look where we are. Get in here. Wow. Okay, so just to let everybody know, first of all, welcome to the channel. If you don't know us, this is the birthday boy. Happy birthday, Brent.
Thank you.
Thank you. And I'm Kelly, and if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell, because then you'll get notified when we upload videos. Like and then share it with your family and friends who like to travel to places like this. Okay, so let's fill everybody in. And where are we?
Well, we took a 3-hour train from Zurich to Zermatt. And then in Zermatt, we took a half-hour train. It is the steepest train in the world, open-air train in the world. We got off a stop early.
Do you remember what it's called?
Okay,
so we had to look to see what it was
It's
called, so
called
we didn't screw this
Gornergrat.
up. Yeah, and let's back up a little bit. We're actually in Switzerland, and we're staying with our friends Michelle and Mike.
Addison.
We stayed with them probably about a month ago.
More than that.
Yeah, before our travels, and then we're back in Switzerland for a few days, I guess. So we'll travel around and take you with us so you can see where we are traveling to beautiful places like this.
Wait, what's going on? Just show them the,
Oh yeah, show them this.
Matterhorn. In the background there.
I mean, seriously, except I don't like the sun on my 55-year-old face.
It's not like they're at base of mountains on that side in a glacier.
That train, the Gornergrat, was unbelievable. It reminds me of the Cog Railway train that we took in Colorado. I'm going to link it probably up here somewhere because honestly I can't remember the name of it, and it was amazing. This is 100 times better. Anyway, okay, so we actually are on our way to, what's the final destination? Gornergrat, and we stopped off today at the stop before Gornergrat to go hiking to a little lake, and hopefully we can get maybe a reflection off of the lake and get the Matterhorn in the picture. So we'll see. Anyway, let's go.
He's Thor, Thor.
Hi, Thor.
And this is Kiana.
Oh my gosh, look at Kiana. Okay, what's your Instagram?
Thor and Kiana is just no spaces, no anything.
Okay.
And it's Kiana.
Oh, perfect. Oh, good. I'll follow them. You guys are sweet.
Thank you.
So much
Nice
fun.
to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I feel like he's done this before. Okay, perfect.
Guys,
Stay.
Kiana,
Nice.
Kiana.
Nice.
Oh, you got a cannon?
Rifflesea Lake. Check. Okay, so you can either get back on the train right now and go to
Gornergrat.
Gornergrat. And is that what we're going to do?
Yeah, and then we'll hike back.
Okay. Seriously, can it get any better? Oh my God, honey, look at the lake.
Oh yeah.
Are you videotaping?
Yeah. Sorry, what are we doing that one? I thought you wanted to do the other one. Okay. Hey channel. So for about 3.5 years I've been proclaiming I'm merely an actor. But after watching the last video, which I almost cried when Kelly said she was going to not make a video for a week and miss our hikes in Liechtenstein, it's obvious I am more invested in this than I initially thought I would be. To wit, don't know if I'm using that correctly, obviously I saw Kelly. She is under the weather and stayed back in Zurich at Mike and Michelle's place where we have been cat sitting, Ernie, the female cat, who graces us with her presence 2 or 3 times every 24 hours. But Mike had said, take the car and go to St. Moritz and on the way home stop by Davos. And so obviously we couldn't do that, but I thought I would just pop out to Davos and get a feel of what the drive is like, because he said the drive would be spectacular. That's an understatement. It was unbelievable. So actually I filmed a bunch. So hopefully the editor doesn't leave it all on the cutting room floor. So subscribe and bells and whistles and all that jazz. And, maybe we'll see you later.
Okay, everyone, before we get too wrapped up in Brent's road trip, I do want to say that before I got sick, we did manage to meet up with our other friend Roman in Olten, about an hour away. We met Roman and Mila last year while kiteboarding in Brazil. I think I'll link that video up top. In the video, you'll see us rescue 2 little kitties that Roman and Mila kept, and now they're a year old. And of course, they have the cutest little Instagram account. I'll link it right now. Meeting friends along the way, like Mike, Michelle, Roman, and Mila, have made our travels for the last 4 years even more special, and we're always grateful and blessed for good friendships. Okay, let's get back to Brent's almost unedited road trip, and we'll see you in the next video back in France for Rugby World Cup.
Hey!